Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set a fixed width for an image in WordPress. This is a simple but powerful trick that will give your website a clean, consistent look across all devices. Stick around because I'll break it down step by step so even beginners can follow along. First, open your browser and head to your WordPress site. Click Login in the upper right corner to access your dashboard. If you want a faster login, you can also choose Continue with Google and select the Google account linked to your site. This is a quick way to get started without typing your password every time. Once you're logged in, go to In Your Dashboard and click Edit Site. This will open the WordPress editor where you can make changes to your pages and images directly. Now, find the image you want to edit. Click on the image block to select it. On the right-hand side, open the Style tab in the Settings panel. Look for the Width option and choose Fixed. This is where the magic happens. Set the exact width you want for your image. This ensures your image stays the same size, no matter what device your visitors are using. Using a fixed width gives you more control over your website's layout. It ensures that your images look consistent, professional, and well-aligned. Unlike percentage-based widths, a fixed width prevents images from stretching or shrinking in unexpected ways on different screens. And that's it. Now you know how to set a fixed width for images in WordPress, giving your site a cleaner and more professional look. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick WordPress tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.